another live stream. We're doing a public live today. It's public live day. We got a lot of things to talk about. So today I'm going to be going live from, 8:45 to around 10. Then I am going to be coming back on at 11. But in the meantime, in that little gap right there, Gabe's going to be on from about 10 to 11, 11:30. And then TMI is going to be hopping off, then hopping on in the afternoon. So it's public live day, people. You get a little sneak peek into what we're doing over here, all the special stuff we got going on in the Discord. But yeah, we got a lot of hold your horses. All right, I'll hit this after. All right, so let's get on it here. So SPY is hovering right around 394. Now that's a really key level that we saw yesterday. Remember that 394, 394.50 level? So we're going to be watching that pretty closely. The other thing is Shopify is laying off 10% of its employees. So Shopify is down about 11 or 12% in the pre-market right now. You could see a little continuation play off of this, but be very careful on it. The other thing you got to look at here, Baba has this weird gap up right here. I don't really see any news out of it other than Alibaba partnership sees exit of key Ant executives as decoupling of Jack Ma founded companies continues amid regulatory crackdown. That doesn't sound like you would see a massive Baba gap up. So there's a couple of things that I'm looking for here. One, the 200 EMA on the 4-hour is right around 106, 106.50. If we break above there, okay, for some reason people are buying up Baba. If it doesn't and it starts to sell off out of this box here, you could see a big move down today on the market just acting very, very, very irrationally. Now, NVIDIA, the chip bills, I think today's Tuesday. So Tuesday or Wednesday is when they're supposed to get voted on and most likely approved. So watch NVIDIA, Micron, AMD, Intel. Mainly AMD, NVIDIA and Intel. Those are going to be the main two, I think. Shopify is getting mauled right now. What else do you guys want to look at? But how's everybody doing? Is my screen freaking out? Is everything going good? Also, since it's a public stream, if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button on the stream, helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Walmart down. Yeah, yes. Walmart, I think, sets up cut guidance, I believe. Yeah, holy shit, that's a Walmart drop. So Wally is down 9%. Tiger's down 5%. Oh shit. Look at that. Look at that. What's up? Back from Vegas. Time to print. What's up, Raul? How you doing? New guy. What's up, buddy? Bullish on NVIDIA and Intel. Yeah. I was also trying to think of this tweet that I wanted to put out yesterday, and I just thought of it, and I was like, there it is. Dude, imagine if Paul Pelosi just was like, fuck it, and just bought weekly, just some weekly YOLO call. Imagine he's done. He has to have done that. Oh, Gabe. Thanks for the super, buddy. Walmart earnings miss. I don't even know if it was. I don't think they reported earnings. I think they just came out and said, "Yeah, fuck it. It's we're our guidance is just gonna get pulled." I think it was like a press release. Let me look. Maybe it was. 3 analysts cut price outlook. Walmart slot. Maybe they did report because I didn't see them on the earnings calendar. Let me look here. Dude, Wally was terrible. I saw this. Target's down 2. Earnings was, that's not right. This is right here. Let me see. When the hell is Walmart reporting? Huh. Wally! Usually they're late. Like they're later. Okay, maybe. I don't know what the fuck they've done here. Maybe they just dropped some. That's weird, but Wally's down hard. And then Shopify just dropped a bunch of them too. So Shopify cut 10% of their employees, which is wild. Yeah, just forecast guy. Yeah, they just came out and just nuked it. They were like, nope. But Baba's a weird one here because the Baba gap up, in my opinion, doesn't make sense. But I also can't find the news on it. There isn't like anything on here about news. I can check on Twitter really quickly. And then if we look at SPY on the 4-hour here, let's look. Pull up the trading view chart. The only chart that really matters. All right, people. So SPY is at a little bit of an interesting spot here. So the 200 EMA right now on the 4-hour time frame on SPY is 394.17. Remember, we've been talking about that 394, 394.50 level. So when you see Walmart, or sorry, I've got Walmart in my head. When you see SPY come down to this level and then bounce, come down to the level and bounce. Well, this is the 200 EMA and the 13 EMA just screwing around with it. But now you're starting to come down below. I mean, you have support here, 393. That's another level that we've seen. And then I have a box drawn out right here. This is where one of my boxes are. This one, 39. You can see it here on the chart if we scroll down a little bit here. It's this 391 to 389.44. So it's this level right here is where I have one. And you can kind of see it play out again right here. I mean, it should kind of go up to here, which it does. But so it's covering this little range here where it could come down and bounce off of. RSI coming down still above 50 though. So it's at 53.24. MACD flipped to the downside, shaft trend signaling sell. So a lot of mixed signals coming in over here on SPY. Primary listing. That's been out for a while though. That's been out for a little while. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's see. Oh, we got a bunch of slackers this morning. Bunch of slackers on the like button. Bunch of slackers. Good morning, all. This morning looks pretty wild so far. Algo. What's up, buddy? I know it does. Shop looks interesting. Oh, hold on. BigCommerce. This is another one. This is like Shopify, BigCommerce. So this is down 3.44% too. What else? Is Amazon getting touched on this? They might. I mean, I don't. Yeah, Amazon down 4.5. Wait, but Amazon, hold on. Amazon's got earnings coming up Thursday. Dude, this is wild. This is going to be fun. Let's see. What time frame are you using on SPY? Your RSI is below 50 on the 5-minute. Oh, that was 4 hour. What time frame should your RSI be on? It depends. It depends on what time frame you're looking to trade. It depends. If you guys are looking to swing trade and you're on the 4 hour time frame, well, then you should be looking at the 4 hour time frame. You can look at other time frames. Like we teach you guys this all the time, like especially on if you're trading on the 5-minute, you enter a trade on the 5. I'll always flip it back to the 1 and 3-minute to see how price action is respecting the 13 EMAs on those time frames. Because if you're respecting the trend on the shorter time frames, you can stay in the trade a little bit longer because you're seeing the rims play out on those smaller time frames. Like if you're playing puts and the price action moves away from the 13 on the 1 minute, comes back up, touches it, makes a lower high, then continues to come down. That's essentially what you're looking for. You talk about your name really being Jack. I thought that was me. No. It's actually Jack. Affirm down. Affirm's down 5. Payment processor down 2. What's going on? Oh, Affirm's down below this. Okay, so I was looking at Affirm this morning. Affirm's got these 2 levels, a couple of levels in here. And again, these are all drawn out on the trading view charts for you guys. I just extend the key ones on Webull just so I can see them and I don't have to keep looking back. Well, let's see here. Oh, fuck. Gabe. Is at there. Natural gas is ripping too. Dude, this is going to be crazy today. Actually, I kind of want to see what Invictus is going to do today. Oh, shit. The BBIG is down fucking 17%? No. What is going on? Dude, BBIG is sub 1 now. Jesus. This is wild. How much time we got left? 37 minutes? Oh. Market death today. Let's see. SV, you got offered a new job, potentially working second shift when he's acting focused, trading before work. Ty Binks, there you go, buddy. Let's go. Yeah, and again, guys, if you don't want to hop in there with us, link is in the top of the live chat if you guys are interested. We do these lives every single day. There's 3 private live streams every single day. There's over 55 of them a month. We got the learning curriculum, everything else like that. You guys have heard me talk about it 8 billion times. Now is kind of the time to start getting in, just so you know the fundamentals and the basics. You know the rules. You know how to implement them, especially the key support and resistance levels, so that when Invictus does come out, you're fully prepared and ready to go. But let's see here. Yeah, NVIDIA. So we got the chip stuff coming out soon. Let's see. All right. Oxy is, hold on. I got to check oil first. Before we even look at Oxy, I want to look at oil. Oil's up 1.66. Brent's up 1.75. Natural gas up 6.5. Jesus. So Oxy was at a key level of resistance yesterday around here. Let me see if I can throw it up on the 1 or 4 hour. Probably on the 4 hour. Yeah, I think it was this. I think it was these levels right here. It was kind of teetering on this double top. Yeah, this 60. Yep, this 63.83. So it's broken above. I mean, Oxy could go on a little mission here. What's this? 65.10. It's above that too. Oxy looks kind of primed, ready to go. We can take a look at Oxy. The problem with Oxy is it loves to shark all over the place all the time. So I don't really like trading it all the time unless I'm like trying to flip it really quickly or like a swing. But next resistance you're asking for, I mean, honestly, if you're looking at it closely, this 69-ish, I could see that up there, maybe 67. I mean, you're at 65.58. All right, people. Woo! Killing it on the likes now. You getting enough? Run those numbers up, people. This is a public stream now. So, I mean, if you want to, it'd be very helpful. But let's see. We got about how much time? What else? Well, keep calling out your tickers, people. We got to keep looking at some of them. And again, if you guys do have any questions on the strategy, that's what these live streams are for. We want to make sure that you guys are fully ready to go going into every single trading day, knowing exactly what the rules are. Because if you don't follow the rules, you're going to get fucked up. If you follow the rules, you're going to be A-okay if you're abiding by the risk management framework that we lay out. If you don't, you're going to get blasted. So be careful, people. Hope it's not a repeat of yesterday, just premium burn. It might be, man. It might be. Morning, gang. Good luck, everyone. JK, we don't need luck. We got 1348 in this crew. How can we lose? Ooh, Zach F. I love it, dude. All right. Nancy's rimming down on the 5 here. Honestly, I don't think I'm touching anything before 10. I really don't think I'm going to. I'm watching Baba today. I think this is a little interesting. I'm going to search on Twitter really quickly to see if there's any Baba news because that's where it would come out. Baba. 9 hours ago, 2022 fiscal year report shows that the fiscal year that ended March 31st, 2022, Bob had 1.31 billion global annual active customers, of which over 1 billion were from Chinese market and 305 million from overseas. That makes, will apply for primary listing in Hong Kong, keep its US listing. Okay, that makes sense. So that's the Baba news. Going to brew some coffee. We'll see you at the belt. There we go. 8 programs. I try to follow the rules, but my horrible hard-headedness makes me greedy sometimes. You have to get rid of that. That's the thing. It's like the thing that what a lot of our members realize is that when they follow the rules and they abide by all the risk management framework and getting more time and everything like that, everything goes great. But when somebody decides to try to outsmart the market and pick something else and do this and not follow the rules and YOLO a little bit, it all blows up in their face. You can't do that. You have to follow a very, very specific set of rules. If you don't see the trade setup that you want, it means you're not trading. You have to make yourself like a robot. That's why Trader Joe and Pythagoras and Invictus are always killing it, because they don't have emotions. They just sit there and do their thing. I'm okay. I actually did pretty good playing levels yesterday. Just got to be very strict on entries and exits. Yeah, I think it's what do you call it? I think it's going to be a quick profit day. Antonio, holding AMC will get you screwed. Is that what you're saying, Vix? No. Oh my God, you fucking people sometimes. Darwin needs to make a comeback over here. No. Dum-dum. Here's what I'm saying. And you guys have heard me say this many, many, many times. You haven't heard it by now? I don't know where the fuck you been. Anytime you're putting in money into a long-term investment, you have to be fully willing to not sell it forever. You're buying shares and you're not planning on swing trading them. You're planning on holding it forever. Again, you put an amount of money into AMC that you're perfectly willing flickering around, then you're fine. It doesn't matter what it does. That's what I've done. I see my position just go like, remember, my average is like 25.71, I think it is. But I put an amount of money that I'm like, okay, I'm fully willing to let this flicker around. Right now, AMC is not looking good on the longer time frame. That's not me saying anything crazy here. It's just that's what it looks like. You've triggered a rant. Is Invictus live? Not yet. We're still testing it. We switched some stuff around with it this week. We're testing it again. Let's see. All right. Baba kind of coming down to the bottom of this box here. That's the point. I don't get it, Antonio. I don't get it. Let's see. Amazon's down on the, I believe, the Shopify news. So Amazon's down 4.5. I believe this is on based on the Shopify news. Benzinga before the bell. Walmart outlook cut. Apple self-driving car. I believe that Walmart. So Walmart. Hold on. 5 hours ago, Amazon raises Prime subscription fees in the UK. Amazon Prime price hit by large increase. So it's actually Amazon news coming out, which honestly I don't think is that big of a deal. No, these are some nonsense buy candles coming in at 9, which we typically see. Okay. What else do we want to look for at open? You think Baba will break 100 to the downside? I don't know about that today. Bob, I got a put signal just now. Yeah, right here. It's still above the 200 and it's in the pre-market, so it's not actionable. But I mean, you can. The thing is that if you want to play levels, I mean, this is a nice little level of supply here. Like we've seen it. Like it runs up here, rejected. Runs up here, rejects out of it. This one was dirty. So this is a zone here where the buyers and sellers have made some big moves in the past. So let's see what happens. Netflix, dude, I've been trading a lot of Netflix. Invictus has been very good to me with Netflix. You guys saw the tweet yesterday. Like that was nasty. Netflix 190 today. That would be disgusting if it did. I mean, what's it look like on the 4 hour? Why would Netflix fall? Is there crazy news on it? No, I mean, what's the 200 EMA? 204.70. So even if it's going to crack this 13 EMA right here, which it's rimming, sort of, it's hovering here. I mean, I would say the low that it would get to today would be 204.70. That's kind of what I see on it. Just that's a big move, dude. $16 on Netflix. Bonds are dumping. Are yields spiking right now? Hold on. How are bonds dumping with yield? Yields are coming down. Hold on, let me put this on the day. Yeah, yields aren't doing that much right now. What's TLT doing? TLT's up. So TLT is ripping up here. Huh. Okay. You'd love the puts on that move. So would I. Stop loss set at 15%. Take profit at only 5. It's a winner almost every time. Discipline. Ricky, you've been killing it, dude. Yeah. All you members over there, when I get all of these messages every single day about how you guys are killing it and what you're doing with your 1348 gains, like I'm going on vacation. I just made 65 grand today. I just made 45 grand today. I just made like some of you, like it's insane, dude. Like the amount of success that people are having is just absolutely wild. Natural gas is ripping. Yeah, UNG is probably up a lot over here. So natural gas over here was up 6.5. UNG is up 4. I mean, dude, this is going to be a real wait and see day today, especially with like Walmart, Amazon, Shopify, fucking around. Target's down. Thoughts on Viru, good or bad? I mean, so borderline. It's so borderline. I mean, what's it look like on a 4 hour? So, I mean, you can definitely trade this. If you, I mean, what you would look for now is this closing candle down below this 200 and potentially coming all the way back down to support at 1066. We got one right here at 1168. So you got a couple levels down here that it could come down to if you were swinging it. RSI's at 29, so it's very oversold. And then you've got MACD flipping down, but it's kind of fizzling out. You've got shaft trend signaling sell as well. Roku down 5. What happened to Roku? Roku stock downgraded as analyst sees cracks in story. Well, that's fake. Roku falls as well. Yeah, downgrade. Initiates coverage on Roku with the market perform. Wolf Research downgrades. Price target 77. Okay. So watch Netflix today. Netflix is down 0.74. Roku's down here, though. I think, doesn't Roku report this week? Roku Thursday after close. I would not touch Roku on earnings. That's just me. They price in a lot on earnings. Do you think playing Nvidia may be more sensible than playing AMD since Nvidia seems to lead the way? It depends on what your portfolio size is. You think you're gonna make a video of my cartoon character just to get a laugh? Dude, hey Porglyphs, I actually have an idea of what we could make some animations with. It would be pretty cool. I missed it. Are you early because of earnings? No, this is early because this is what we do on this is our Tuesdays. You guys get a sneak peek into what we do in the pre-markets. All of our normal live streams say that we would do in the Discord on Tuesdays are live publicly, so you guys can come in and see. Get all your questions answered about 1348. If you do have any questions, let me know. But right now we're just kind of hunting tickers, seeing what we're gonna look for at open. And again, we have 25 minutes until open here, so let's see where we're gonna get. Hit me up, I will. Coinbase? What's up with Coin? I think Coin did something. Yeah. What the fuck is going on here, dude? Coinbase under SEC investigation for crypto listings. SPY's not really moving here, dude. But a lot of other things are. So today could be a wild day. Let's see. How do I get notified by Invictus? There's a spot for it. I mean, I'm in the testing area of it. But when it's ready, you guys will be ready to go. The thing is, though, is that you guys have to prepare yourselves now, because if you don't prepare now and watch all the curriculum videos and become really, really good at trading 1348 the way that it is right now, Invictus is going to be harder for you to use. Google earnings. After close today, Jesus. Ready into a housing recession? Yeah, dude, the White House is just like, hey, actually, we always usually would typically say that 2/4 of declining GDP are the technical recession. But fuck that. We're going to switch it around a little bit here. We're going to do a little switcheroo for no reason. And we're going to say that even though the second quarter GDP is most likely going to come out negative, nah, everything's good. We don't want to freak anybody out. These fucking people. Shop is down 13 now. Holy shit. All right. So what are I kind of want to leave a couple of those at open. So Shop, I don't want Nvidia here. So Shop is one, Walmart's one, and Amazon, Roku's another one, Amazon's another one. They're all getting clapped. You're watching Shop and Boeing? Yeah, Keith. So Shop is basically like laying off 10% of their employees. Shopify down 12% announcement of 10% layoff in global workforce. That's Shopify's news. Roku got downgraded, so we don't really need to watch Netflix on this. Walmart looks to be headed back up a little bit here after cutting guidance. They just created they came out with some news. Where is it? It's probably further. It was last night. Walmart exposes itself. They could have picked a much better title for that. Walmart is not over here like sex offending. So Walmart receives price target cuts from an analyst after fiscal Q2 profit warning. When I enter play, how do I know what strike to pick? Typically, we like to trade the at the money contracts. In the money, at the money, or like 1 or 2 strikes out. That's typically what we like to do. Do the highest gamma. Sundials reverse splitting. Those fuckers. Are they? Did they say that? That's bad. That's not good. All right. What was the other one? Shop. I want to leave Shop on and open. Big Commerce, Amazon. I mean, I kind of leave Amazon up here too. So here's what we'll do. All of the companies that had that big news, I kind of want to see what they're going to do. We're going to leave up SPY to see if we're going to get any crosses coming. So we have Walmart, Shopify, Amazon. All of these stocks here had terrible news. So let's just see what happens with them. That's good. They won't get delisted. It's not though, because they're sucking so bad that they have to keep reverse splitting to stay over $1. That's not good. You thought you saw a video that said always select the ask? No. You want to go for the mid. He didn't say that. Tigers down 2. Yep, Tigers down on the Wally news. Again, guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on your way in over here, it helps out a whole lot with the algos. You guys are doing pretty good. We're at 200 likes already. Jesus. Freaking crazy people over here. Let's check Redbox. Oh, Redbox up again. There you go. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear the Redbox to 100 thing. 30 question. What is the percentage of taking an in the money play that will pay? Are you saying like what are the odds that you make money with an in the money contract? I mean, it's technically on expiration, it's higher, but if the stock moves in your direction, you're going to be fine. If the stock moves $1, the delta is going to be slightly higher. Going to be more expensive though. All right. Shop. Let's see. And then again, we'll leave these up just for open. I just want to see what they do. Because if these all just start dying, SPY's probably going to come down. You're going to see Apple, Tesla, like all of these other stocks start to die as well. Affirm's next level. Good question. I have a few of them down here. To the downside, I've got a few drawn out. So Affirm right around 24.20, right around there. If you scroll back and look at this on the 1 hour, you can see that it's got a couple of these levels right here that it likes to respect right around here. You see this one? Top. Wait, no. This one topped. Blew through, top. This one's the top. This one screws around right here, another top. So 24.20-ish is going to be a key level. Selling off through, you could end up seeing this box right here, 23. I mean, it's going to be a little volatile. But that initial Affirm move up, we called it to a T, people. If you were swinging any Affirm contract, you made so much money. Facebook dying off. Yeah, Affirm's down 5 point. What's the news on Affirm? Morgan Stanley rates PayPal, says growth dependent on e-commerce growth normalization. Fintech rally, runs out of gas as Affirm, and block dip after fourth session rebound. Okay. And then what was down here? Amazon off their price increase, which I honestly don't think is that bad. You're glad I'm on here on Tuesdays now? Better than nothing. Guys, I'm live in the Discord literally every morning. Literally every morning, you guys can see me from 8:45 to 10, and it's actually going to go to 10:30 soon. Like, we're doing this every single morning. It's just more focused on, like, it's just in the Discord. So you guys want to, like, come to these every single day. The link's in the top of the live chat if you guys do want to hop in there. All right. What's Amazon? I don't have anything really drawn. Fucking, I hate this. Thank you, TradingView, for being better at life. All right. Right around 114, 115. Nice little level here that you can see. And then this little zone right here where it cracks below. If it sells off through this, it could get nasty, but it also could bounce out of here. So be careful of that. I prefer Discord SUV, less willy-nilly nonsense and more ankles. Yeah. Meta cross down on the 4 hour. Thanks, Keys. Yeah. So what you're looking at here is they have earnings. So when is that? Is it tomorrow or Thursday? Tomorrow. So Facebook has earnings tomorrow after close. Here's the other thing that I want you guys to be very, 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 very focused in on. What have we just seen this morning? This is what's going to happen with earnings. It's a very simple. Walmart cuts guidance, Target dies. That's a sympathy play to the downside. Amazon raises their prices. Shopify gets bad news. They both sell off. Big commerce goes with it. I mean, all of the payment processors too. Square, Affirm, PayPal are most likely selling off too. I know Affirm's down. So that's what you look at. So that's what you see potentially. Like if a company like just gets blasted on earnings or hits on earnings, you're going to see big moves. if you're trying to swing trade anything, you not only have to be very, very aware of when that specific company is reporting earnings, but when any other company that could possibly affect it is reporting. So swing trading right now, you have to take a little bit of like some extra steps to basically protect yourselves. Like you could wake up one morning and be like, oh my God, I just made a fucking shitload of money. Or it goes to zero. So you just have to be aware of what's going on. Like if you had Facebook puts going into Snap earnings and then it just goes bing dead, you would have been pretty happy. But again, it could have gone the other way and Facebook could have rocketed it and then you were screwed. Kyle, what's up, buddy? Rob Father? Yeah. Yeah. Now, I honestly, so there's a video. I'm going to actually watch Gabe's video on this. It's called like how to use the alerts in the curriculum. I'd have to see what he goes over in that. And if there's any other like tips and tricks that I want to add to it as well. Cause I do want to make some more curriculum videos for you guys. But there's a way to use the alerts where, yes, I understand that some of you guys just want to watch a few stocks, but if you know the system and have a little process of see an alert, look at the chart, see what's actually going on to either continue watching that stock or eliminate it like this, that's going to allow you to basically look at every stock in the alert system, which I'm pretty sure Gabe goes over in his video. But again, his video is it's in the curriculum. I think it's called How to Use the Alerts. I was looking through it the other day because I almost just made a video on it, but I was like, I feel like he's made one already. Hey, Leonard. Hey, Leonard. Hey, Leonard. Hey, Leonard. Leonard. Shut the fuck up. Leonard. Leonard. Shut up. That's what I have to say to that. It's like the Redbox 200 people are back. Thoughts on Tesla? We can look at Tesla really quick. How much time we got left? 13 minutes. If anybody comes in here saying Redbox to 100, I view that as actively trying to hurt my people that are watching. Fuck you. Sorry. What's going on with Baba? All right. So Tesla's down. Hold on. Are we going to potentially... Ooh, we got this level right here. So this was the pop level after earnings. This right here, 780-ish, is where it shot to after earnings. So you could end up seeing that be that level of support here. 780. So $14 down. When using supported resistance lines, do you use the last ones that came up, or are you looking at all for the last day? I'm looking at multiple days. You guys, Gabe has big plans for the 1348 people. Dude, when I say that we probably have like 10 giant things coming, and each time they get progressively bigger, I mean, you guys have just seen the track record of the things that we've rolled out. I mean, first was options. Then we revamped the curriculum. We did all of that stuff too. Now we have Invictus and Pythagoras coming. I mean, we kind of talked about the other thing that we're going to start doing soon. We have so many crazy things coming for you guys. Get ready. If you're not in there now, you're missing out, man. Has anyone checked Algo? This guy behind a dumpster at a gas station told me Redbox to $1 million. Oh, you should listen to him. He sounds like he knows exactly what he's talking about. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot over here. Let's see. Oh, we're almost at 300. Thank you. I appreciate that, team. All right. Any hints? Nah. C. Martin, you're not a loser. You just don't have the proper direction and teaching to have success. It's not you're a loser. It's you just don't have this. It's like telling somebody to try and do calculus when they're like in third grade math level. It's like you wouldn't expect them to have success. And it's like the golf club analogy too. It's like if you give somebody like a mediocre set of golf clubs or a shitty set of golf clubs, I mean, you can still play good golf with them if you're like semi, like, if you know, like if you're can sort of figure out how to play golf. But even if you give them the best set of golf clubs in the world, they're still going to struggle. So that's why we create all those curriculum videos. That's why we give you guys all of the best alerts, the fastest alerts. We give you guys the algorithms, the live streams. Like that's what we're doing over here. And all these people hating on us. Oh my God. Ah. Fuck off. You don't have messages coming to us that say, oh my God, my life is forever changed from 1348 in a good way. They have done nothing for anybody ever. So doesn't mean much to me. They were like the other day, they were like, we're going to cancel you next. And I was like, fucking do it, bro. Like, go for it. What do you think? You're going to stop me? Not going to happen. Do I golf? I used to be nasty. I used to be like a 4.5. Fun fact, I was one of the captains of my golf team in high school, you know? But not anymore. If we were to compare my golf game to trading, now I just YOLO. STV next. Oh no. 1348 is why I can spend time with my family and not have to work a 9-to-5 job. People don't understand how powerful the strategy is. Yeah, exactly. Come to Ireland for a game. Dude, I have a buddy who used to caddy at St. Andrews. So I still have to go over and play. All right. How much time we got left? 9 minutes. I thought no YOLO. Like, yeah, I mean, my golf game, I just kind of say, fuck it. Like, I can sneakily hit the ball really far. Like my farthest drive. All right. Well, this is the last thing. Then we're going to get back to work. Like I think my longest drive ever is like 385. I'm just tall and like lanky. I can just like the arc is all right. Back to work. Wally's. I mean, it's rimming back up a little bit here with a cross. But you're pretty far below. You're about like $3.50 away from that 200 EMA. SPY looks like it might slip here, and SPY again on that 4 hour is coming down below the 200. So now we could start to slip even more down below that. What do you call it? That longer, the longer. What the fuck? Why am I blanking on this? The longer time frame level of why am I blanking on this? You had connectivity and video would play other side's video on YouTube was just spinning. Oh, that's annoying. Let's see. AMC still holding support. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens with it. Sounded like T-Mi's mic glitch. Oh, did it really? Am I like repeating myself? Do you think she could break? Kyle, what? Do you think what could break? Sometimes the break is the first 10 minutes, quick in and out. Yeah, I mean, you got to know what you're doing. I mean, I have a video on that for you guys in the Discord, how to properly trade before 10. I'm probably not going to do anything before 10 today. Because anything that I've really done before 10 recently has been like tiny or it's like a little lost. And it's like, why are we doing this? Because then every other play later in the day is great. It's like, yeah, just burn it. Knowing my mind blanked. Oh, yeah, it did. I was stuttering. Fun fact, I used to have a really, really, really bad stutter. It's because I'm ambidextrous and both sides of my brain fire off too quickly and I can't get my words out fast enough. My parents had me tested. So, all right. Walmart. All right. So we're going to leave the Walmart, Shopify, and Tesla up or not Tesla, Amazon for open to just kind of see what these stocks are going to do after this news when, I mean, more people are available to trade them. And then I mean, we're going to be watching SPY at a couple of these key levels here. I honestly think that we could end up seeing this level down here, this 391. Now, again, my target for SPY yesterday was 393. What's it at right now? 393.53. I thought we had a level down here. 392.80. So this is really a key level right here. 392.72. Am I watching Target? I mean, sort of. I'm more watching Walmart because that's the one that actually had the news. Target is just moving in sympathy to Walmart. Is JPOW today? Nah, tomorrow. Tomorrow. You gonna tell us your real name now? Guys, it's in the video that I posted yesterday. It's in the video that I posted yesterday. Let me see. You guys should all watch that, though. That was a good video. You guys got to see my face. We're stepping it up. All right, so let's see here. So if we have 5 minutes until open here. Let's see what we're gonna get. We have shop fucking around. I mean, down almost 15%. I don't know if this is gonna continue. It could knife. I mean, looking at this on the 4-hour, what's down below here? Probably nothing. Yeah, nothing. I mean, this might have been. Why did you do that to us? I couldn't watch it. Why? Show my face? Oh, that's mean. You're ambidextrous also? Nice. Nice. Lots of bots pumping Tesla puts. Why, bro? Stop taking random advice from live chats. How about that? All you need is love. Just they don't know what to talk about. Finally see what you look like. You're taller when not on Discord. How the hell have you seen me there? I am tall. I'm like 6'2". Let's see. Just follow the rules. Exactly, people. Follow the rules. That's why they're there. New guy. Damn. Thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. I can see you have new equipment, new place, new barber. 1348 treats you good. Yeah, it's good. Actually, the barber that I went to, I'm probably not going back. Did I see your comment about the video about your compounding interest? Yeah, I actually saw that. And it actually comes out to over 1,000%, not 500, which is interesting. I just ticked weekends and I was like, oh, so it's 180 days instead of 252. That's crazy. That's ridiculous. Is T-My taller than me? No. Lots of cat Chris. Jesus, bro. No, I used to so when I was all right. Well, we can do story time on the other public live stream today. But let's see here. All right. Let's see. So Wally's trying to move back up. We got SPY. I mean, what's this low of yesterday? It never came down below 393. It's really, why is it? Hold on. 393.21. So what you're watching 393. It's this one down here too at 392.72. So you got these two levels to the downside that you're looking to break. If you don't break those, you could bounce around and flicker. Oh my God, I think it's really hot outside today. Jesus. 90 seconds until open. Oh, here we go, people. Here we go. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in too. You guys are cranking it up on the likes today. I appreciate that. Tesla on a mission right before open. What, a Doom mission or a Moon mission? Tesla got a pop here. Is there news on Tessie? No, I don't see anything. I want to see shop. Well, I'm interested in to see what Netflix does. Let's see. Jamidro, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Gladly paying my dues for today. Keep up the good work, STV. Jamidro, I appreciate that, buddy. Guys, thank you so much for all the supers. You guys know you don't have to do that if you don't want to. Thank you. Thank you. Micron pop. Okay. So no Amazon, maybe. We'll cycle through around a lot of them. Micron. That might be nonsense. I don't know. We'll see because SPY just did a bunch of this. Where's NVIDIA? Did NVIDIA get a move like this too? NVIDIA. All right. And NVIDIA's screwing around at this box here. All right. Less than a minute to go. We're about to get the ding ding here, people. Here we go. Here we go. My pleasure making us money. Jamie Joe. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. All right. Wally. All right, here we go. Ding, ding. Market's open. Amazon. Let's see what Shopify, Amazon, all these things are going to do here. There we go. Good morning, Vix. Last night's video was great. Let's get to work. Nick, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, I'll link that video for you guys when we're done with the stream. Make sure you guys go take a look at that one. That's gonna help you guys out a whole lot. Let's see here. Amazon trying. I mean, Spy might try to come up here a little bit. Shopify. All right, what's moving? What's moving? Is Tessie getting a little action? I haven't even taken a look at Apple yet. Tessie's trying to move up here a little. And then Apple, what do we got? And then we're going to pull up Netflix. Apple's actually going on a little mission here. Hello. Hello, Apple, Apple, Apple. And then Netflix. Nothing. So leave up Apple for a second. Apple looks a little jumpy here. And then this is Amazon trying to move back up. Where's Affirm? Affirm was dying. Okay, so Affirm is now coming down potentially to bounce off that level of support. If it doesn't, I mean, you could see all the way down here to 2290. So that could be a little dirty on Affirm here. So watch that level, see if it holds. And if it doesn't, bye-bye is sort of what I'm looking at here. Facebook puts printing. Oh, Facebook getting clobbered. Where's Microsoft? Microsoft likes to do this shit in the morning too. And then just continue it. Yeah, Microsoft, pop, lock, drop. So, hold on. Let's see. Hold on. Ooh, we're firing off early today. Okay. Okay, I see how it is. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. What's this? Ooh, yeah, I don't like that. Next level on AMC. I can take a look at that for you. All right. What did I say? I tweeted it out. I told you in the pre-market. What did I say? What was it? 1422? 1420. Do I have MetaPuts? No, I don't have any. Microsoft coming down. Let's see if Spy breaks this. Let's see. Where's AMD? The chip makers. Let's see what these are doing over here. Not looking too good here. Not looking too hot. DraftKings getting smacked. Oh boy. Yeah, so that level on AMC, I tweeted it out, 1420. $15% on Dash. Nice, man. There you go. All right. Spy slipping here a little bit. Microsoft coming down. DraftKings coming down. Let's see. Johnson & Johnson going up fast. Not really. Not really. 393.01 on Spy. That key level at 393. Let's see if it breaks. Microsoft coming down with a cross too. Ooh, 4 hours about to cross here too on Microsoft. Hello. It's just hiding this put signal. I know it's there. What's the low of the day on AMC? 1418. Oh, it bounced right where I said I was going to. Oh, cool. All right, Microsoft, what's up with this beast? How much is this down? Let's see. Ooh, SPY little pop. SPY popping back up. Let's see here. Let's see. Locked in your first profits, 1,088. Jesus, bro. Jesus. All right, 254.64 is the low. Ooh, Microsoft looks a little dirty here coming down. Even with SPY moving up here, I don't know. Microsoft's looking a little heavy over here. Damn, you called that 1420 bounce? I told you. I mean, it's not that hard. You just look at the technicals. It's like really not that hard. Microsoft dying. Let's see. Let's see if SPY starts slipping again, right around 393. Let's see. That was easy. All right, let's see here. Team. All right. Where's the AMC right now? SPY moving down. Microsoft looks melty over here, so watch out for this beast. Johnson not doing anything. AMD's trying to maybe head up here. You got this level of resistance and the 200 EMA right here. SPY's just fucking around. Microsoft's a little bit dead, but let's see. Let's see. Micron, what's up with Micron? Ooh, Micron getting that little cross up here. Okay. For the second half of the year, the U.S. will become the place to export corn, soybeans, ADM's Luciano says. All right. AMD didn't like it. Micron didn't like it. All right. And Microsoft getting mauled over here. Let's see. Yeah, I flipped some Microsofts really quick there on the next weeks for like 4 or 5%. Just bing. But we haven't even looked at Baba. Thank you. Melting out of the box here. Ooh. Am I going to address Gabe's video from last night? What's there to address? The algorithms work perfectly. Do you want me to say that like the alert system and everything else is just fucking awesome? Yeah, that's how it works. I mean, we like AMC Illustrated on those alerts is crazy. Neo good? Let's see. Okay, so you're not. Are you trying to talk? Are you trying to cause problems in my live chat right now for no reason? Spy rimming down on the 5 right now. Yeah, Shopify. Oh, Shopify's now down 16. All right. Yeah. Oh no, Shopify's bouncing back up a little bit here. Here comes Spy back up. All right, people, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's see. That was a nice little Microsoft cross in the morning. That was fun. Oxy. Is Oxy ripping, dude? Or is Oxy sharking? Ripping or sharking? It's flipping around. No hate, but that was crucial. Oh no, our what do you call it? Our what do you call it? Our algorithms, our alert system, our strategy, and our system behind 1348 is wildly good. Let's see. Kuman, no hate. That's crucial. Yeah, a lot of people do come in here and they're always just like, fuck you. And I'm just like, all right, bro. So anytime I feel that somebody's going to come in with like something stupid, I just get ahead of it and just start talking nonsense because I just don't want to deal with it. It's just like, all right, bro, you like, it's fine. You can ask questions all you want. Give us one Invictus alert. If I see one, I will. If I see one, maybe I'll throw one out. This is a public stream, so I don't know if we're gonna do that. But we'll see. But Invictus is 30. I think I've missed 3 trades with Invictus out of like 15, and all of them have been dirty. Like all the ones that hit have been nasty. I mean, the lowest one that I gave you guys was the Netflix one that I showed you guys on Twitter yesterday. Like it was like a little 9%. Costco, is Costco selling off with like Wally, Target, all those? Costco's actually coming back up here. So Spy's hunting a little bit here. I mean, I'm really just gonna wait and see. I had a little tiny Microsoft trade, so see what's gonna happen. Will the free Discord alerts be converted to Invictus? No. With the free alerts, you get like a couple of stocks, but no, Invictus is not going to be with the free alert. All right, Microsoft coming back down. Neo. Neo's crossing up here. Watch 1977 and then potentially a move up to what, 2050. Yeah, see, that's not enough of a move, really. And Spy looks a little weak here. When you sell, do you sell the ask? I wish I could sell the ask. No, you try to get filled in between the bid and the ask. But it's basically like an auction process. You're like, all right, this is what people are willing to buy, and this is what people are willing to sell at, and you try to get filled in between. That's why you want to try and aim for things with tight spreads. Explain Invictus. Okay. So in order to explain Invictus, it's a new way to alert things that I'd have to talk to the team on like what I can say about it right now. But it's alerting. I can tell you it's alerting earlier than everything else before. It's alerting earlier than most, than when we would get other alerts. We've shown you guys that on the tweets and stuff. All right, here comes Spy back down. Here comes Microsoft back down too. Watching these lows on Microsoft here. I mean, Spy, again, 393, very key level. Hold on. All right, team. So let's see. All right, people, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a little bit with the out. All right, so watch Microsoft at 254. Low of the day, 254.11. Spies hovering around that 393, down about 0.5%. If it breaks down below 393 and starts selling hard, you have this right here, 392.75 essentially. If it breaks down below, I would say that the sellers have it. But until then, I don't think they do, because we've seen these get bought up really quickly in the past. So be careful. There's a little knife below 393. Let's see what else is selling. Where's Apple? Apple, ooh, down below this little line of support here. Hold on. Hold your horses. Yeah, SPY coming down. Microsoft selling. See, they're buying it up below 393 right now, or they're trying to. They're fighting it right here. When does Microsoft report earnings? Did they already do it? Oh, today. Microsoft is today. Holy shit. Coin selling too. Thank you, Diana. Wow, it's really wild that our bot is able to come into my live chat and tell me that coin is selling. That must be a really advanced AI. Damn. We must have the secret sauce, huh? Huh. We must have it, huh? Yeah, coin's coming down. It's just it rimmed on the 5 and came down a little bit here. So it still hasn't see, it bounced off that 392.75. It needs to come down below there. Thanks, Mombot. Appreciate it. All right, AMD selling off here a little bit. Another 300 bucks locked in. Kyle, you are a wild man over here. I love it, dude. All right, let's see what we get over here. Yeah, coin flickering around. I'm watching SPY 392.75. So those are the two key levels that we were looking at. 393, it broke. Now they're buying it back up here. Again, in order, in my mind, to start thinking the sellers have it today and they can actually push it down below 392.75. Then I think they've got it. But right now, they've bought this up down here so many times. I'd be careful at buying puts at these levels. Baba, if you're a premium member, do you get Invictus when it gets rolled out within the next few weeks? Yes, you will. Diana is a machine, not a bot. Oh, sorry. AMC dropping. Let me look. Where is it? It did bounce off that level. Oh, look. It's right where I said it was going to go on my tweet. Let's see where it goes from here. It could easily crack down below and sell off. I mean, it's coming back to that level of support and resistance at 1420, but other than that, not really. So I'm watching SPY at 392.75. You answered my question while I was typing. Dude, I'm reading. Affirm breaking resistance. Like support or resistance? Oh, Affirm broke. Affirm just broke. SPY selling off here. Here we go. So SPY broke. Where's Apple and Tesla? I'm more interested a little bit here on Microsoft. So Microsoft is dying right now. Oops, that's not the stock I want to buy puts on. Or look at puts on. SPY knifed here. They're buying it up a little. So you could potentially see a move down to 391. That's what we're looking at here. Did they seriously just buy this back up to 393? Telling you, these levels are tough to break, man. I didn't want to do that. Fuck. It's because I don't have my water. Now I got to leave this here for a while. Nonsense. All right. Apple's just hovering at this little level of support here that we've had drawn out for a while. Let's see what SPY wants to do in Microsoft. Where is Netflix? Netflix been an interesting one here as well. Man, flickering around. AMD doing a whole lot of nothing here. I wouldn't touch AMD until it's over the 200 in this level of resistance here. Microsoft, nice little flash candle down there. It didn't hold. I mean, SPY's holding down below 393 right now. For now, I mean, it could always bounce back up. It's still really early. NVIDIA pop. I mean, if it's the same move as AMD, it's not really a pop. Yeah, no, NVIDIA did not really get a pop here. See, I'm definitely not trading before 10 today. Also, SV, just a quick little 5% on Microsoft. Yeah, I mean, again, there's a right way and a wrong way to do things. I had next week at the monies, so they're not moving very quick. So I didn't buy deep out of the money YOLO weeklies just now, or not just now, like like a little bit before. There's a right way and a wrong way to do things. So we'll see what we get. SPY back above 393. I'm telling you, those levels of support are interesting. It couldn't hold down below that 392.75. Now it's coming back up to VWAP, potentially aiming for a rim on the 5-minute here. Again, these levels here just haven't held down below. I mean, you've seen it a few times, just flash down, come right back up. I mean, it is making these like but it's just like a weird level here that we need to see the sellers really step up and be like, yes, I want to sell at these levels. Here comes AMD. Oh, they're tempting me. No. Where is this? 87.57. Okay. Neo just crossed down. What the Neo shark fin, huh? Oh, Neo had opened the. I mean, it's right at the 200 EMA. Ooh, it never really got that cross up. There goes AMD trying to come up here. Ooh, it's trying. AMD is trying. Let's see. Dun 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 dun. Spy's got that 48 to fuck around with, and join the Discord. There we go, buddy. 2 for 2 today. 1348. Hell yeah. There you go, man. There you guys go. All right. So AMD's flickering around a little bit over here. Baba going to gap fill? It might. I don't really like it when it's all wound up in these levels here. I like when it's set. Ooh, there's that 200 EMA on Alibaba. So what were we saying? Remember, in the morning on Baba, it could easily sell off, come down to this 200 EMA. You go back in the stream, that's kind of what we were looking at. We were potentially looking at upside up here if it broke that 106. But again, the news didn't really look all that good for it to continue up. So we were waiting for it to fall out of this box. You could have ridden it. I mean, about $1. It's not really worth it at that point, though. Yeah, and again, guys, if you do want to hop in there with us and get these streams every single morning, the link is in the top of the live chat for you. So yeah, hop in there with us, make some money, learn the strategy, get ready for Invictus and Pythagoras. Those are going to be fun. Husa breakout? That hurts my soul. AMD looks interesting here. I do like this, man. $14.20. Is it still there? Oh, yeah, told you. AMD new highs. Let's see if this candle closes above. It could get a little spicy here. Where's Nvidia and Micron? AMD's not really pumping. It's just flickering red-green right now. You want SPY to get above this 13. I mean, you really want SPY back to 394. That's really what you want here. But let's see what the chips can do. NVIDIA's getting a nice little pop. It'd be nice to see NVIDIA run back into this little zone here. And then you're also looking at Micron. I mean, you do have potential for chip news to come in here. SPY down. July 20. Oh, they're meeting at 10. Senate will vote. Yeah, they're voting. Ooh, there's that closing candle above. Let's see what happens with AMD over here. We get a little pump. That'd be nice. Nice little pump. Let's see. SPY back down. I think it's just going to follow the SPY. SPY rimmed on the 5 here. So let's see. Shitty titty. Yeah, we definitely could. We definitely could here. AMD's bouncing off this level here. I like that. Nvidia is bouncing off the 13. Let's see what we get here. What's the next level of resist? Oh, fuck. You got this right here at 87, 88. And then you got this level right here in the after hours pre-market of 88.73. And then you got this all the way up here at 91. Yeah, new highs on Amanda. Ooh, flash down a little bit there. Let's see what it gets. Oh, Nvidia is coming up here nicely. Hello. Hello. Let's see. Keith, thanks for the super. Are you watching UVXY today? Not really. I'm kind of just watching to see how SPY reacts to a lot of things. It's coming up for a 5-minute rim again here. The chip makers are actually looking a little bit jumpy. Nvidia's trying to get back up into this little zone here. You got the 200 EMA up here at 169.73. AMD is actually looking pretty good. But we'll see what happens there. We'll see if it ends up getting up there. I mean, SPY's just hanging around VWAP here. Let's see. All right. Nvidia's trying to get rejected at this zone. SPY coming back down. Microsoft trying to move back up here a little bit. Let's see. All right, guys. SPY again, that 393 level on SPY is pretty strong. So let's see what happens at it. If Nvidia can break above this 200 EMA here and actually get above this zone at 170, I mean, that could be spicy for chips. All right. All right, people. Let's see. SPY's trying here. Nvidia's trying. AMD not really doing a whole lot right now. Let's see. See if you get a chip pump. Nice little chip pump. Little knockdown there. Let's see. You know what else is spicy for chips? Salsa. Yeah. All right, people. Let's see. Keep hitting that like on the way. Oh, we're almost at 400 likes. Thank you. I appreciate that, team. All right. Microsoft headed back up here to VWAP. Nvidia's fucking around. Where's Micron? Micron doing the same move here that AMD is doing. That's essentially what it looks like here. Micron, AMD moving very, very, very similarly right now. And SPY is looking like it wants to hold on here. It's 10 a.m. It's 10 a.m. in like a minute. Relax. Your clock is ahead. Coin dying still. Ooh, coin really dying over here. All right. It is now 10 a.m. So, people, that is going to wrap it up for the morning stream here. Again, if you guys want to hop in there with us and get these every single day, make sure you check out that link in the top of the live chat as well. And also, I did post a video last night that I think a lot of you guys would find a lot of value in. So if you guys do want to check that out before Gabe hops on in a few minutes, here you guys go right there. Make sure you guys check out that video. And again, people, make sure you guys are playing the levels here today. Be very, very careful. There's going to be a lot of chops. SPY is now rejecting lower. And again, guys, be very careful. We got a lot of interesting things coming up. Other than that, people, I'll see you guys in a little bit at 11 at the public live. Other than that, peace.